Electrical wiring can be super frustrating when you're faced with this. A whole bunch of connectors of different sizes, for different gauges, but it all can be replaced with this. Watch today's video and I'll show you how. When you're working with a bunch of different wire sizes, it's frustrating because of the different connectors that you have to use. Wago came up with this one single connector. This comes in 2 to 5 position connectors. This is a 2-position connector, and it goes all the way to 5 with 3 more positions available. A position is just a location where you'll be able to insert a wire and then bring it back down to complete your splice. On a standard wire nut, you would have, you typically just take two pieces of wire, strip them, and then screw this on. And you're not always guaranteed that this is a good connector or connection because one of the wires may have rounded or broken off inside. With this, at least you have a visual and you can see what has been done, and you know you got a good connection. So I'll show you real quick how it works, and a super simple process. All right, on the side of the Wago, there's a little strip gauge. You can see it there, right there at the end of my fingertip. So what you'll do is you'll take your wire, you measure it on your strip gauge, and you just simply strip the wire. This is number 18 braided wire. Typically you would use this for a standard crimp down butt connector, but with the Wago you don't need to do that. You just flip this up, insert it. You can see the wire go into the connector. You flip the little tab down that the wire's in, and it's a solid connection. And that's how easy it is. All right, so here I have a 12 gauge. This connector will accept 26 gauge down to 10 gauge. 10 gauge, it would be something you would use on a higher a appliance or like a water heater that might require a heavier conductor to run it. And so here's 10, slips in just a little bit tighter, but it still pops out, no problem. I have been using these little Wago connectors probably about 6 months now, and through our business, which is plumbing. So I wire disposals, recirculating pumps, 110 voltage all the way down to 12 voltage on low voltage. And they work great every single time. And I've got a few little video clips I'd like to show you, and just on the different applications and how simple it is. Anyone can use them, and we really like the product. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching DIY on the House.